We're on the 19th floor, overlooking Tonglo, Ekamai, Prompong. And the star of this apartment is the swimming pool. Good morning. I'm here in Sukhumvit 24 and today I'm going to show you two buildings, and the buildings that I'm going to show you are the Raffine. And why are these buildings special is because every unit in here has a private swimming pool. I'm starting here at the Raffine 24 and then later I'm going to go to 39. So let's start here with the first unit at the Raffine 24. This is a 4-bedroom duplex, 371 square meters, and this is what makes the Raffine units special. This is in the Raffine 24, which means it's located in Sukhumvit 24, and this is the first Raffine building that was constructed in Bangkok. There are 3 Raffine buildings. There's one in Soi 31 and one in Soi 39. The rental price is 200,000 Thai baht per month. Some classic furniture. A nice kitchen with a kitchen island. Many of these older apartments, they have maids' quarters. All the bedrooms are on the second floor. This bathroom is completely new, and that's why you also have the rain shower, which you normally don't find in these older buildings. Here they used one of the bedrooms to create a media room. This is the master bedroom. You know, you get the flickering from the LED lights in here. Swimming pool. Where I entered the building, you saw the public swimming pool as well. So this is the type of unit where, let's say, the rich and the famous of Bangkok live. The building only has 54 units, and the private swimming pool obviously guarantees privacy. Let me show you the public area as well. So as I mentioned, there are 3 Raffines in Bangkok, and I showed you the Raffine 24 already, and now we are at the Raffine 39. And this one is located in Sukhumvit 39. This building was constructed in 2009 and it has 34 floors. This is next to the M Quartier Mall. This is a special unit. They don't come along that often. This is 365 square meters. We're on the 19th floor, overlooking Tonglo, Ekamai, Prompong. And the star of this apartment is the swimming pool. This is a duplex, so all the bedrooms are on the second floor. Let me show you the apartment on the inside. Very spacious living room. So the sales price for this unit is 70 million Thai baht. Kitchen comes with a dishwasher, they are repairing the door, but don't worry, if you move in here, that will be ready. There's a second kitchen here, or a maid's kitchen. Access to the pool again. So let me bring you to the second floor, where you'll find the 3 bedrooms. We'll start here with the second bedroom. Nice jacuzzi. This is a bit of an older building, so that's why you don't have a rain shower, but of course, if you buy this, you can edit and add that yourself, is no problem. The third bedroom, all the curtains are automated. So this is on the front of the street, so this will always be an open view. It's always important when you buy property in Bangkok to know what is going on with constructions. So here is a storage room. Could make it into a walk-in closet. A little corner in here. And a master bedroom. This building only has 59 units. So it's the same story with the privacy, and this is one of the things why these Raffine buildings are very popular with people that value their privacy, and that's why they're also a bit more expensive. So if anybody's interested in buying this property, the sales price is 70 million Thai baht, and you can connect with us on info@sukhumvithomes.com or through WhatsApp +66 81626 3018. I will be more than happy to provide you with more information about this unit. I really enjoy the concept of these Raffine buildings here in the city center of Bangkok. You can live in a high-rise, enjoy the benefits of being around the corner from M Quartier, but you still have your private swimming pool. Imagine sitting here in the evening, the sun sets, you're sipping your cocktail, watching the city come alive. Doesn't really get better than that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding these apartments. If you're interested in more apartments or in general anything about Bangkok, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.